According to the sewer line at 6409 225th Place Southwest, Mountlake, Terrace, Washington. Date is November 11th, 2022. Making this recording from the 4-inch diameter Schedule 40 PVC cleanout at the front of the home. Camera's down in the 6-inch diameter section of the line at the sidewalk, off property. Come back into 6-inch diameter PVC, Schedule 40. Come back into a section of, we transition to 4-inch right here, and come back into a section as we come back on the property. It's an upstream clean out there at the top left side of the screen. Come into a 4-inch diameter new flow cure in place pipe liner. That new flow cure in place pipe liner extends the length of the entire line on property. Up out of the cleanout. There's the cleanout we made the recording from. Here's the front of the house, front window, almost directly in front of the window, right near the seam, about 2 feet off of that front window, middle of the seam. Ending the video there.